Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to export one sheet in Google Sheets. So let's say I have these two sheets, I want to export only one, so let's say I will click on the second one. Now in order to export it, I will have to go right here to File and select Download. Now select the version where I want to download it, so I will recommend PDF, but if you want to make it editable, just click on Microsoft Excel. So I will show right now, I will click on PDF, and now as you can see, this is your export. Choose Export, and now this will download your PDF to your downloads folder. You can name it right here and press Save. And right now it should be in your download folder. It is really simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.